Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Granny Smith apple pie, easy method. Roll out chilled dough and assemble filling immediately to keep crust flaky. Core and slice apples evenly. Toss with sugar, cinnamon, lemon juice, and a touch of flour. Preheat your oven and chill the assembled pie before baking. Bake until bubbling and golden, then cool slightly for cleaner slices and better flavor. In this video, I will show how to make Granny Smith apple pie, easy method. Use sugar and cinnamon ratios that complement tart apples without overpowering them. Add flour or cornstarch to absorb excess juices and prevent a runny pie. A splash of lemon brightens the fruit and keeps color vibrant. Taste your filling before baking and adjust sweetness if needed. Keep ingredients measured and mixed gently to preserve apple texture. In this video, I will show how to make Granny Smith apple pie, easy method. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, step reminders, and your favorite baking playlists while you work. It's small, sounds surprisingly full, and fits on a counter without taking up space. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. If this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Granny Smith apple pie, easy method. Keep butter cold and work quickly to form coarse crumbs before adding water for dough. Chill the dough at least 30 minutes to relax gluten and reduce shrinking. Fill the crust without overpacking so apples can expand while baking. Seal edges well and use an egg wash for color. Bake until juices bubble and crust is deeply golden and crisp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.